welcome back. Now let us proceed to sixth question of this exercise 2.2. The question is, three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are the integers? We are given that three consecutive integers. What do we mean by consecutive? Means one after another sequentially or serially. Like if I take 2, then its consecutive numbers are 3 and 1. So similarly, these are the three consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3. Similarly, we can take other numbers also. Let us say 21. So the consecutive number after 21 is 22. The consecutive number before 21 is 20. So 20, 21 and 22. All three is a consecutive number. What are the consecutive number of 22? One is 21 that comes before it and another is 23 that comes after it. So all four are now the consecutive numbers. Let me take another example for your clarification. Suppose take 56. Then what the numbers will be? Those are consecutive to it. One is 55 and another is 57. So these are consecutive numbers. See, one is exactly one greater than the other. When we are talking about consecutive numbers, means they are lying in number line in terms of integer number line. So one is exactly one greater than the previous one. If we add 1 to 20, we will get the next consecutive number, that is 21. If we add 21, if we add 1 to 21, then we will get the next consecutive number, that is 22. If we add 1 to 22, we will get the next one. So difference between two consecutive number is always 1. This is the point to be remembered. So this is written that three consecutive integers add up to 51. We don't know what are the three consecutive numbers. So we have to take any one of the number as x. Let us assume one of the integer to be x. We know that difference between two consecutive number is always 1. So how do we find the next consecutive number that comes after x? Obviously that will be x plus 1. So the next consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Again, the other or the last consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Then we will add another 1. To this integer, we need to add 1, that is x plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got three consecutive integers. One is x, the other one is x plus 1, then x plus 2. According to question, they add up to 51. Means when we add all three consecutive integers, the result has to be 51. This is equal to 51. So it is given that three consecutive integers add up to 51. It means this is equal to 51. Sorry, let me write sum of. When I am skipping add up to, I have to write the sum of. This implies, let us add all three integers. One is x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2. This is equal to 51. See, there are 3x terms. So when we add 3 x's, the result is 3x. If I take 3 individual bags, then I say 3 bags. So when I am taking 3 individual x's, this is 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 3. This is equal to 51. This implies in this simple equation, this 3 will be removed first, not the multiplied one. So 3x equals to 51 minus 3. As this 3 is added here, it will be subtracted in the alternate side. So 3x equal to 48. I have solved it and this is found to be 48. Now see, let us remove 3 that is multiplied and will be divided in RHS. So the value of x is 16. 40 divided by 3 is 16. You can divide manually. So one of the integer is found to be 16. What are the integers? We have been asked to find all 3 integers. Therefore, the numbers are x, one is x, that is 16. The other one is x plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, that is 17. Then another one is x plus 2, means this is 16 plus 2, that is 18. Therefore, the numbers are 16, 17 and 18. This is the result. I hope you understand. Thank you everyone for watching.